Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to increase the text size within FieldGenius, making it a little easier for you to read your menus and the options you're clicking on. So what I'm going to do to begin here is I'm on the map screen and I'm going to head to the bottom left corner and click on the plumb bob icon to open up my main menu, where I'm going to want to select Settings and Options. Within my Options menu here, I'm going to open up my Interface option, where you can see there's an option for the text size and info/grid. By default, this will be set to small, and that is the default text size within FieldGenius, but I have the option to change that to large, which when I hit OK here, you're going to see that a lot of my text options now are bold and a little bit larger, especially if I go in the menu. It is very obvious what has changed from when I had the default setting. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you make things a little bit easier for yourself to read within FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.